The ninth question we get asked all the time is, how do you know my duct system's leaking? Or is it leaking, depending on the variation of the question. It's easy on some duct systems to do a visual inspection and see that the duct system is leaking. If you have an old metal duct system that has yellow fiberglass on it, you'll see black rings every 3 to 5 feet, and where you see the elbows where it turns those 90s and 45s, you'll see black rings around there. Most people can easily walk into their garage if that's where their furnace is located, and they'll see a bunch of black rings around the ductwork in the garage. What's happening there again is the Venturi effect. Where there is a high pressure leak to a low pressure area, it creates a suction. So that fiberglass acts like a filter. So the filter in your home that you're supposed to be changing every 60 to 90 days is the fiberglass. And that fiberglass turns black where it leaks and pulls that air back in. That's an easy way to visually inspect that the duct system is leaking. On some of the newer duct systems, it's not as easy to see that. Sometimes you got to peel back the connections and see if it's properly affixed to the system. But we have guys that can come out and actually pressure test the duct system and tell you what your leak rate is and what it should be. So we do it either way. Some people want the service of the guy to come out with all his flow hoods and his pressure testing equipment. Some people just need the visual inspection and they can see that it's leaking, put a tissue up to it and the tissue starts wiggling around. It's all about just inspecting the duct system, whether it be with computer equipment or just a visual inspection.